Hey everyone, this is Daren with Madcap Toys. I'd like to welcome you today to another unboxing. What we're going to do today is unbox a group of items that we just recently purchased from Shed Flips and Lonnie Candace over there. And we want to sort of show you what we've got. We're going to be doing a lot more of this unboxing because people really seem to be interested in it and they like to see some of the items that we get in. We will also be doing a lot of unboxing from items that are not from, you know, one or two people that we buy off of that we sort of know online. But we just want to share this one with you because it's really got some good stuff. So I hope you really enjoy. Let me know in the comments below what you think and which items you'd like to collect or what is in your collection. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, smash that bell so that you get notified every time we put on a new video, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, let's see what we got, guys. This is going to be interesting. I myself really don't remember what we ordered here. Always does a really good job on his boxing. He's the king at Frankenboxing, pretty much. Most of you would already know when you open a box to always be careful how deep you cut into the box because you don't want to cut into some of your merchandise. You lose profit that way. All right, pull this thing off here. All right. A lot of times you'll see sellers put in pieces like this. It's basically to increase the hardness of the item to make it a little firmer so that it won't get crushed. And if you notice, he's done that there too. Very good. All right, let's look this over. Like that. Okay, this one here is basically twin torso spider pincers. One of the rarer Toy Biz Marvel Comics Spider-Man line. I believe he's from 1996, is he? 94? Okay. That over there. Okay. Here's from the Arkham Asylum. Let's make sure I'm right before I say that. Collector's Actions figure. Series 2. Jarvis. To Tech, the Mad Hatter. Okay. I'm not sure what year this is from. It's DC Entertainment, DC Direct. I can't tell, but I'm going to say probably late 90s, early 2000s. Let's give you a back look here. Okay. Let's do this here so a little bit. I'll move this over here. This over here. This wrap. And this should be a dual pack, 2 instead of 2. I'm thinking, no, maybe wrong. All right, this one here is a little bit loose here at the bottom, but it's the Road Warrior. This is from N2 Toys, Warner Brothers 2000, Road Warrior line. This one here, if you notice, is sealed still, but he does have little issues on the bubble down here below. Can you see that? Right there. A little crack from age, a little yellow from air and weathering. We got a little, I don't think that's original, but it looks like we got a little warp in the box there up here from basic age and shelf wear and storage. But pretty much, we garnered these 3 action figures. This one right here, the Spider Pincers, basically, Mad Hatter, and one of the Road Warriors, which if you go on the back, you can see this there. I'm also thinking, I could be wrong, but I think Nika also has a series of Road Warriors because they usually do a lot off-end sub-brand genre kind of things where they specialize just with series that a lot of people won't pick up. For instance, they do a lot of Predator, they do a lot of things like Back to the Future and Aliens, etc. You know, things that are sort of cult classics, and not everybody picks them up all the time. Some do, some don't, but you all know what I'm talking about. But anyway, guys, this is what we got in today. These three guys right here. If you like them, be ready to see them online in our eBay store or in our Mercari listings. Either Kathy or I will be the one listing them. If you have any questions, don't forget, you can put them down in the comments below, or you can personally message me on our Facebook group or one of the other groups on Pinterest, Twitter, etc., so forth. All right, guys, thank you so much for your time. You guys have a great, wonderful day. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.